going down.
So we have these extra blueberries, not enough to do anything with. However, I'm like, let's go ride around on our bikes and see what we can find. And we found epic free, beautiful, delicious blackberries just in our neighborhood. And now we are going to make a balsamic blueberry / blackberry jam. So now we're gonna pour the berries into a bowl and mash with a potato masher. Measuring out 8 to 10 cups of berries. So all of you here. And now we need more berries. 3. We almost have 4. 4 freshly picked blueberries. Ooh, that's looking good. Look at how many berries we have. Peanut butter jam. Next we have to, we're now gonna, let's turn this shit on. Mash. Happy Thanksgiving, where's our masher? Oh, there it is. Yeah. Mash it just a bit. We don't want to puree it because we want it chunky like peanut butter. Because they're a team, chunky together, strong. Look how beautiful it is already. Can't you see it on toast right now already? It says yada yada yada. You mash berries, add sugar, let it cooking. Cook the sugar and blueberries to boil. Oh, we gotta boil this. Are we boiling it? Let's crank this heat up. We're gonna boil this baby for 15 minutes. Hey humans, if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also support me by purchasing a cozy treat for yourself, like this pineapple skull coffee mug. It will remind you of summer or a tropical destination that you can't wait to get to. There's a link below to order your own pineapple skull mug, as well as other merchandise with my designs and illustrations. Thanks for your support. Next, we need 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. This is really going to be something. Next, we're going to add delicious pepper. Oh, it calls for 1 tablespoon and 1/4, so I think that's sufficient. It's raining man, hallelujah, it's raining man. Look at that. Add the sugar, done. Prep the jars, done. Boil for 10 to 15 minutes, done. Oh, pectin! Oh, pectin! Oh man! Oh, pectin! How did I almost forget about pectin? This is the part where it should be, it's raining man, hallelujah, it's raining man. Oh, it smells great. Winter is coming, and this is going to be so great. 4 or 5 months from now, we made this. It's going to be amazing. All right. Blah, blah, blah. Stir in the pectin. Continue cooking at low rolling boil for 5 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna bring this down a little, I guess, and we're gonna set the timer for 5 minutes. So at the 5-minute mark, we're gonna start putting it into the jars. It's amazing, actually. Free berries. Free berries turned into probably about 12 or 13 jars of jam. Pretty stoked. I think I need another drink. I'm thinking, we love jalapeno. We love spice. Black pepper might not be good enough, so I think we should alter the recipe. Let's do it. Let's put a whole entire jalapeno in this black pepper balsamic vinegar jam. That's just gonna be amazing. Nobody's gonna stop me. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Holy smokes, I think it's gonna be lovely. Whoa, I almost lost my finger there. Oh, bitches! Here's the timer. Jalapeno. Oh, this jam is gonna be good. We need a little bit of mood music here that we won't be able to put on the video because of, what's it called?
Copyright infringement.
Right, so I'm gonna get inspired with my favorite hits via silent mode. And you will hear generic whatever I can get. It's not the same in my head what you're seeing. It never is it? Best be protecting our fingertips. So now, what they tell us we have to do is we have to get a jar that's been boiling for over 10 minutes to sterilize it. Whoa.
Man down! Man down!
Man down! I
Oh,
suck!
and look, it's gonna burn now.
Oh, that sucks!
You're fired.
Look how good it is on YouTube. Like, it's flawless on YouTube. Flawless! What a mess. What a mess. It's okay. Flawless. Every jam going like this, watch. Hold. Put on. And put on. Finger tight. Finger tight. Let's do it again. I'll show you how it's done. Hot, 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 hot. Finger tight. Ah, hot. Hot, 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 hot. I might be Superwoman here because I'm like, no pain. Hot, 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 hot. How does Schmucker's Jam do it without hurting themselves? Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Now we gotta make sure that they are sealed by dropping them in the pot.
You realize you're supposed to have them upright, you know?
Oh shit, really? No, Trevor, I didn't know that. How did you know that? How many minutes? 10 minutes. Let me set my timer. Alright, we've got our delicious homemade jam that we made last night, and this morning I made homemade bread. However, I didn't make a video on that. Maybe I'll make a video on it another time. But the main thing is we have our late night homemade jam, and we now have fresh homemade artisan bread ready for us to have peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Crispy on the outside, yet soft on the inside. The best part of air bubbles in the artisan bread and why I like it, it scoops up all the peanut butter, all the jam, all the butter. It's like pockets full of heaven. So let's toast this up just a little tiny bit here. Just to get it a little bit, oh shoot, I think it's a little bit, get in there. And she's ready, she's stuck. That's okay, we got it. Now, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna spread a copious amount of butter on this bread. Oh, that melting is so delicious already. Smells so good, smells so good. And we're gonna add our delicious peanut butter. And now, oh, look at that jam. See the consistency? It's not jelly, it's not too runny, it's perfect. Nice chunks of blueberries. And voila! Heaven. Heaven. I'm in heaven. And now the moment we've been waiting for. Taste test. So good. So good. I feel so good, like, we made this. I made this. It's so awesome that I made the bread, I made the jam, I made this magic happen. That's pretty cool.